Hi guys, how are you? I hope all are you good. My name is Tulsi Kumar. Welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creative Think. Guys, today topic is Docker. Guys, Docker is so many usages. First of all, today explain what is Docker, why container, why should you use in Docker, how to install Docker. Guys, definitely I explain all topics, but today topic is these are all topics, but daily I will explain each topic. Image creations and containers creations and push the image in Docker Hub and volumes creations. Guys, these are all topics in Dockers. Definitely I explain in daily one topic. Please like and subscribe and create and daily one topic and like this channel guys. First of all, today topics are these are all today topics. What is Docker architecture, why should you use Docker, and container, what is container, how to install Docker. Guys, what is Docker is an open source platform designer. Docker is a container management tool to create images and deploy and run the applications. Guys, this material in nice and good explanation. Docker is a open source and centralized platform designer to create, deploy and run the application. Docker uses container on the host operating system. To run the application, it allows applications to use the same Linux kernel as system on the host computer. Other than create a whole visual operating system, container ensure that our application works in any environment like development and text or production. Guys, simply saying Docker is open source to platform designer, create the container management tool and run the application, easy to deploy the application. Guys, next, Docker architecture. Docker architecture, see the one image. Guys, this Docker image. First of all, Docker architecture using pull the image in Docker install mission. Then once image create, then run the image and create the containers and store the nexus artifacts and storage the images and go to the Docker images, pull the image and create the containers. So all are definitely I do the practical and see this guys, definitely. Then why should use Docker? Guys, before Docker, so many so many users face the problems. The particular code is running in the developers, but the systems but not in the users. Guys, see this. Docker is a centralized platform for packaging and deploy and running the application. Before Docker, many users face the problems that particular code is running in the Docker system. Particular code is running in the developer systems but not user systems. Guys, before this you can this so many problems you get in, but nowadays Docker will come. Docker is help to developer application easily and deploy the application and ship the into containers. and can be deployed anywhere. Docker container is a lightweight engine. Docker maintain the engine, do ship into the container and can deploy the anywhere, and applications or libraries, so many things, all of user the uh, applications, environments and libraries, these are all on container, and ship them into container can be developed anywhere. Next, what is container? Guys, Docker container are lightweight alternate of the virtual machine. It allows the developers to package up application with all the libraries and dependencies. Guys, this libraries and dependencies and ship it single package. It is can be deployed anywhere. Guys, first of all, how to create Docker is container. First of all, pull the images, that image, run the image and create the container. Definitely I see the I do this practically, guys. First of all, how to install Docker. I see this how to install Docker. Go to AWS console. Sign in the console. Next. To the EC2 instance. Running instance. Guys, I see this one, launch the instance. Open freestyle projects. Ubuntu Server 16.0. I will take the select it. Then go to next configuration and add the storages and add tags and security groups. Review and launch it. Guys, I select the already existing key pair, select it, launch the instance. Guys, see the view instance, running the instance, write the name in Docker, go to that pimp file, git bash, copy the IP address, pending, yeah, it's running, copy the IP address, type SSH connect the server, guys. First of all, use sudo root user, guys. Go to the root user, and type the apt get guys the command. Run this command apt get update. Then go to, yeah, it's running. Then install docker apt. Do you want to continue? Yes, guys. Installing, processing the triggerings and container processing. Yes, guys, install successfully. Guys, Docker is installed. Then check it the Docker version. Docker are install or not. Once check it, guys. Docker hyphen version. Yes, guys, Docker is installed. Docker version is 18.09. Guys, these are all steps. This is nice documentation. I will share definitely in description. If you are interested, please let me ping in your email IDs. I will definitely share these documentations. Guys, easily, simply install in Docker. Definitely I will continue in tomorrow. Create the images, run the container, push the Docker hubs. Definitely I do the each topics and every topic definitely, guys. Today end the section, guys. Please understand the video. I definitely explain each and every topic. Guys, please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget in bell icon. Thank you, guys. Bye.